Y'all, I'm going to show you how to get rich. Let's get to it. So what I want to do tonight is give you every secret that I know for how to build your own crystal ball. If I made you money, can I get a hell yeah? If I made you money, can I get a hell yeah? Let's get to it. So you guys always ask me, how do I get into the market? I'm going to break it down for you tonight. Please screenshot, right? There's 8 places I want you to get in. 20 EMA, the 72 EMA, the 100 EMA, the 200, and number 9 is really important, the 50% retracement of the day. So when the market is half off on the day, that's an area where you can buy to look to hold for the long term. Now, point of control is really important because it's like an equator. It's the middle line for where the market should be. So if you ever heard me say like Nvidia is going to drop to 91, and y'all like, how the hell do he know Nvidia going to 91? Point of control allows me to know where the market is going to go. Y'all got y'all screenshot or no? Okay. See or no? Okay. 5 biggest trading mistakes. Y'all like, he went to Mexico 2 times and I ain't know Spanish. Como se dice? I don't know that much. For my traders, here are 5 of the biggest mistakes that you make. Number 1 is incredibly important. Red Panda Rebellion, make some noise. Number 1, too tight of a stop loss. So when you're trading, you don't want to have your stop loss so tight that you end up getting whipped out of the market. So here's my secret. If you're going long or buying, you want to place your stop at the bottom of the market. Say bottom of the market. And if you're shorting, because you think the market is going to drop, you want to place your stop at the top of the market. Say top of the market. I need y'all to say it like y'all want to make some fucking money though. Thank you. Number 2, stop changing your targets. Master one target endlessly so you can be able to create all the freedom you want. Say, I will make one target my goal. This side don't want no money. Let me come to this side. Say, I will make one target my goal. I'm going to stay with this side. Number 3, not marrying your plan for 4 years. Now, I've seen some of y'all in the lobby getting mixy, fellas. You know, ladies, make them show your portfolio for you get that number up, right? But what I want you to do, since you won't be faithful in your relationships, is to marry your target in investing. These are just jokes written by 85 South, right? I ain't dirty macking. Number 4, thinking that more information is going to make you rich. The people that I know that have made millions of dollars in this market, Red Panda Rebellion, who have made hundreds of thousands, they stuck to the same plan over and over again. How many of you heard me say 2 tech, 2 index? How many of y'all made money from it? Investing is not complicated. For 125 years, they told us investing was hard because they didn't want us to be a part of it. If I made you money, can I get a hell yeah? All of you keep asking, how do I hedge if we have a recession? During a recession is a time for you to buy the best companies in the world. Buying the best companies is the hedge. Now, if you can trade as well, you can make a lot of money as the market is falling, but buy VOO, VTI, Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia. Use that 50% retracement, write this down, over the last decade, and that will tell you what to buy. So when we come to a 50% drop on a 10-year basis, you know where to load the boat. We already know August and September are the biggest months of the drop. So your investing season needs to start during August and September. When the market falls, hold, and you'll see all of your gains go up in March. For my traders, I hate RSI. But if you're going to use it, use 95-5 instead of 70-30 or 80-20, okay? Bet. And this is an important lesson. Price action is not more important than you marrying your target. Say, I will marry my target. Y'all are losing me. Let's go over here. I will marry my target. Thank you. So price action is how the market moves. But what matters is will you stick to the same price for when to get in and when to get out. If you're up 100% take profit, If you get up to 500% take profit, no matter what. Any of you got in on the video? I love y'all. And notice when it got to 500%, that's when it started to falter and come down. So for long term, hold until you get 5x return. If you're trading, get 100%, 200% return, and then you can look to exit. Please, screenshot this. You have to know the average true range for how fast or slow a market will move. So if you know what the stock has done over the last 4 years, you'll know how much you need to buy. And for my traders, if you know that, let's say, the Euro USD only moves on average 125 pips, you can have a 100-point target and you'll be okay, okay? For my traders, the Asian session, 5 p.m. Central, is best for you to trade, okay? The American session is amazing for my more experienced traders, but if you want to make money consistently, please trade the London session. Some of you will tell me, I don't want to get up at 2 or 3 in the morning, but if a vibe call you at 2, 3 in the morning, you're going to slide, right? So I want you to be as dedicated to getting your dollars as you want to get something else, okay? I'm going to keep it clean, my dad here. How to tell the direction of the market. This is my ultimate secret. Please screenshot this. Any of you be like, man, there's no way in hell Bitcoin will go to 20 grand. You ain't tripping. Look at the month chart first. Say month chart. Then I want you to go to the weekly. Then the day. Then the hour. Uno hora. Say it. Hey, let's go. Right? So when you see the month, the week, the day are all green, it's the indication to buy. If you see the month, week, and day are all red, it means the market is dropping. Don't touch it. There's nothing else you need to know about the direction of the market. You want 4 green lights if you're trading to buy. Month, week, day, hour, then you can buy. Say it with me. Month, week, day, hour. Let me come to the money side. Month, week, day, hour. Buy. Month, week, hour, day. Buy. Come on, I need y'all to step it up. What we gonna do? Okay? Some of you keep asking me, how do I know if a stock is going to be a surefire hit? On the institutional side, whatever BlackRock and Vanguard says, shout out to BlackRock, is law. The companies they invest in are law, right? But you have to make sure that they're number 1 or 2 in their industry. But if you want to know which companies are going to be amazing in the future, go to Angel List and Y Combinator. They will tell you the companies of the future that are going to dominate. So when Sam created OpenAI, Y Combinator was his baby where he incubated talent. So when you're seeing the companies that are going to develop that run our lives the next 5 or 6 years, if Angel List is big on them and then BlackRock and Vanguard then supports them, it's an immediate home run. If BlackRock and Vanguard does not own the asset, I don't want you to touch it. Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, all owned by who? BlackRock and Vanguard. Make sense or no? Thank you. And also State Street. Screenshot this, please. So if all of these brands are not in love with the company, like Rivian, no slight to them, but all of these 5 companies that run the market did not love them, they did not do incredibly well. Now the VIX is really important. Recently the VIX went up to 65. Everybody was terrified, right? These are the levels that you need to write on your chart and be aware of. If we go to 65, which we just hit, or 82, if we get to 155, it's going to be hell on earth, so I hope we don't go there. But these 2 levels, here's what I want you to do. If you hear the market is going through extreme compression or contraction, and the VIX gets to 65, I want you to buy the top 5 stocks in the market and don't do anything else but hold. Did any of you get in when I called on Market Mondays the market was going to turn around in about 14, 15 days? When it hits these historic levels, the VIX is showing you how bad the market is at that time, but the VIX never stays down for more than 90 days. So when I saw it went to 65, that was the time for us to load up. If I made you money, can I get a hell yeah?